today I have ketokrate, and I picked this up from the channel Reviews with Sue. I'll put her link below. She had a coupon where it's buy one, get one free. So I have 2 boxes here, and it's $39.99 regularly for 1 box. You can make your subscription for monthly, every 2 months, every 3 months, or you can try it and cancel it at any time, or you can actually just skip a month. You get 10 keto-friendly snacks, and there is a coupon, which you can see there on the screen from Sue. I don't know if that is still active, but if you do go to the website, they do have a coupon on the website which you can activate, which is 25% off, and you actually get your box right now for $29.99 because I don't have a link to give you at this time. So opening the first box, ooh, snacks. So it looks like we have October 21 Keto Crate. Inside this flyer is members only KetoShop. You get discount snacks. I was not able to find that when I went to the website, so hopefully that'll show up for me soon. And then we have some 25-day fitness challenge, a hot dog recipe, and then some comparison to regular snacks and then keto snacks. And also, you know, some discounts for Green Chef and whatever these other discount coupons are. So the first item I pulled out is flavor-infused Pazoots Premium California Artesian Almonds, and this is New York Dill Pickle. And it says that it has 200 calories and 16 carbohydrates, all natural, gluten-free, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no GMO, no SMG, no preservatives, and no trans fat. The next is the cookie department, Keto Soft Baked Championship Chocolate Cookie. 1 serving per container, and it's 250 calories, 21 grams. Trans fat is 22 grams. Non-GMO, soy-free, grain-free, corn-free, made with prebiotic fiber. The next is Keto Farms Cocoa Dusted Almonds. It's a 1 serving per container, 140 calories. Total carbs is 10 grams, and I did try this one. And it was soft. It wasn't an almond texture. So, yeah, I wasn't real big on that one. It does say the net carb is just 2 grams on that one, though. All right, so this next one is Protein Grab-and-Go Puffs, veggie-infused baked cheddar with all-natural, no artificial flavors or colors, for 15 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar, and gluten-free. Also says GMO-free, soy-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. I did try this one, and it tastes like cheese puffs. They're just a little bit smaller, so I don't know. This one has 1 serving per container and 450 milligrams of sodium. All right, so the next one is Pork King Good Ranch-flavored chicharrones, fried pork rinds. Now, I don't eat meat products, so I'll have to make a little nut basket for the products that I cannot eat. It says it has 0 trans fat, 0 carbohydrates. It is not gluten-free, though. It is actually pork cooked in pork fat and has 80 calories. Okay, so this one is Super Coffee Positive Energy. Oh, I thought it was a creamer. It's coffee, enhanced coffee. 0 grams added sugar, 10 grams of protein, 200 milligrams of caffeine, sweet and creamy, maple pumpkin, 70 calories. All right, so I'm going to try this tomorrow morning. On the back has total carbs of 3 grams, total fat is 2.5 grams, 1 bottle, 12-ounce size. This also says lactose-free and gluten-free. All right, so the next one is Huevos Rancheros, made from egg whites. This is a good source of protein, keto-friendly. It has 8 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of net carbs. It says on the back there's serving for 140 calories, gluten-free, keto-friendly, grain-free, egg whites, and a good source of protein. No preservatives, no artificial flavors, and paleo-friendly. Okay, so the next one is the IQ Bar Wild Blueberry. It has 6 brain nutrients, 12 grams of plant-based protein, 2 grams of sugar, and 3 grams of net carbs. It is non-GMO, gluten-free, adaptogen powdered, and dairy-free, soy-free, complete protein. It serves 180 calories. The carbs are 11 grams, but it's 8 grams of fiber, so you get 3 grams of net carbs. Okay, this one is a chalk zero, no sugar added, double dipped almonds. It's milk chocolate style with coconut. I cannot eat coconut, so it's going to go in the meat pile. 20 almonds wrapped in pairs, so they're individually wrapped packages. It does serve 3.5, has 140 calories and 14 grams of carbs. So this next one is Mission Meats. This is a beef bar. Tasty Original. It's gluten-free, no MSG, made with 100% grass-fed beef, no added nitrates, and it is paleo-friendly, and it is a 1 ounce size. The next one says Love Good Fats, chewy, nutty, 9 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 4 grams of net carbs. This is a dark chocolate, sea salt, and almond. It is gluten-free, keto, sustainable, no soy, and it's 100% satisfaction guarantee. Serving size is 1 bar, 200 calories, and the total carbs is 16 grams. And last but not least is the 100% USA beef stick, real beef, 7 grams of protein, 80 calories. Non-GMO, gluten-free, and no added nitrates. It does have 1 gram of carbs and 80 calories. All right, now on to the next box. Sorry this is so long, guys. So this one is Christmas. So it says Keto Wonderland, and inside this pamphlet we have the members only shop. It has a little recipe, looks like a brownie gingerbread type of looking guy, some success stories on the keto diet, and that's about it. Let's go ahead and get into the first product. This company is Good Sam, BNLA for small farms, dark chocolate mint, 55% cacao, no sugar added, certified vegan, non-GMO. Yeah, it looks like it serves 2.5. So the carbs are 16 grams, calories 120, 0 trans fat. Looks like it is dark chocolate, cacao, and lecithin and mint oil. 2 grams of fiber, 13 grams allulose, and it equals 1 net carb per serving. All right, so the next is by the company. It looks like Intact. It's a nourishing snack, crunchy cheese black pepper. It is 100% cheese, natural ingredients. 10 grams of protein, 2 grams of total carb, gluten-free, no sugar. 2 servings per container, 80 calories. It has less than 1 gram of carbohydrate, 0 trans fat. I tried it, kind of bland, but it wasn't that bad. You got a little bit of cheese, a little bit of pepper. The next one is the company High Key Mini Cookie. It's a snickerdoodle with 1 gram net carbs, keto certified, grain-free, gluten-free. This serves 140 calories, 9 grams of carbs. This has 0 trans fat. So the 9 carbs minus the dietary fiber of 2 grams and the erythritol is 6 grams leaves you with 1 gram of net carbs. And the next is the Keto Wise Chocolate Pecan Cluster. This is a fat bomb with MCT oils, maltitol-free, gluten-free. It has 130 calories, 11 grams of fat, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 1 gram net carbs, 0 trans fat. I tried it. You see it here. Oh, was it yummy? This is a really good one. I love the fat bombs. And it tastes as good as it actually looks there on the wrapper. Okay, so the next one is another pork rind. This is a spicy dill flavored. This is gluten-free. It's a big taste. 1 gram of total carbohydrate per serving. This package actually serves 4. 0 dietary fiber, but it also has 0 trans fat. The next is another Keto Farm brand, and this is maple candied pecans. It has 1 gram of net carbs. It's a 1 ounce size package. Serves 1 person, 160 calories. Has natural sweeteners, and it has 0 trans fat. All right, the next one looks like the brand might be better. It's a Keto Chocolate Crunch. It's a prebiotic, gluten-free, nut-free, soy-free, GMO-free, 0 gram sugar, 4 gram of carb, 18 fat, and 4 grams of protein. 0 trans fat, has 190 calories, and it does serve 1 person. And I had a bite of that. That was delicious. So the next one is Chalk Zero Keto Bar Dark Chocolate with Sea Salt Flavored Hazelnut. It has 6 little mini packages, so it serves 6, has 120 calories, 15 grams of carbs, and it has 0 trans fat. The ingredients are dark chocolate, unsweetened chocolate, cocoa butter, non-GMO, resistant dextrin, hazelnut, sea salt, sunflower lecithin, monk fruit extract, and Madagascar bourbon vanilla beans. It's a sugar-free dark chocolate with a crunch. The next is the company Ross Chocolates, and it has minis, dark chocolate minis with sea salt, sugar-free. It's not a low-calorie food. 24 calories per thin, and there are 5 thins per serving. The package serves 3. 120 calories per serving, 14 grams of carbs, and sweetened with stevia extract, non-GMO, gluten-free, no maltitol, and 0 trans fat. Now, last but not least, is the Keto and Go Fudge Brownie Keto Baking Mix. It says it has 15 grams of carbs, but the net carbs are just 1.1 grams. It's gluten-free, keto, diabetic friendly, no sugar added. It has 94% less sugar than leading brands, and it makes 16 fudgy and rich brownies. So this would serve 16 people. It has 5 calories from fat, 0 trans fat, and then there's the ingredients. The ingredients you need: butter and eggs, and then how to cook this. So that's the Keto Crate, guys. It's on sale right now, so if you're interested, go ahead and get in on the deal. And let me know what you think of the Keto Crate, and I'll see you in my next video.